This entire Excel report runs on just 3 formulas. Change a metric, every chart updates instantly. Add new data, the tables and dashboards refresh automatically. No VBA, no Power Query, no manual refreshing of pivot tables, just 3 formulas doing all the work. Let's find out how they work. We're going to turn this raw data into a summary table using GROUPBY. GROUPBY is simple. Type is equal to GROUPBY, then select the category you want to group by, followed by the value column, and finally choose the calculation you want, sum, average, count, and so on. Hit enter, and that's it. In literally a couple of seconds, you have transformed thousands of rows into an easy to read summary table. But writing a formula this way creates an extra 0 row. Let's fix that. Click your raw data and press Ctrl+T to make it a table. Make sure my table has headers is checked and hit OK. Now let's rewrite the formula. Type is equal to GROUPBY, but this time use your table columns instead of ranges. Type your table name, mine is table 3, then type an open square bracket. As soon as you type that square bracket, Excel shows all your matching columns to choose from. Select product category, then units, choose sum, and hit enter. Just like that, the extra 0 row is gone. Now to add more columns to our formula, I'm going to type a colon and add cost. Because a colon selects a range, Excel automatically returns every column from units through to cost. As you can see, we've got units, revenue, and cost. But what if you want cost first and revenue later? Simply wrap the columns inside HSTACK and separate them with commas instead of colon. Hit enter, and there you go. Now we've got units first and cost right next to it. And because we are choosing each column individually, we can easily add more. I'm going to add revenue and profit as well. Hit enter, and we've got the exact report layout we wanted, all with just 1 formula. Now let me show you the real power of these formulas. Simply add new data, and these reports update themselves. No refreshes, no clicks, and no manual work. Here is another reason these functions are so powerful. We can create a completely new report by simply copying the existing table and changing sum to %of. All that's left is to format the values as percentages, and we have a complete percentage breakdown for every category across all our metrics. Now let's move on to our third powerful formula, PIVOTBY. We'll start with is equal to PIVOTBY, then select our column field, our row field, the value we want to analyze, and finally sum as the calculation. Unlike GROUPBY, which groups 1 category, PIVOTBY groups 2 categories at the same time. Think of it as a fully dynamic pivot table built with just 1 formula. In this example, we are creating revenue by product category and region, making it incredibly easy to compare how each region performs across every category. Now let's see the result. There it is, a complete 2-dimensional report built with a single formula and ready to power charts, dashboards, or whatever you build next. Now we could keep adding more metrics to this report, just like we did with GROUPBY, but before long, the report becomes cluttered, difficult to read, and wastes a lot of worksheet space. So let me show you one of my favorite Excel tricks. This one simple technique can replace multiple reports and multiple charts with just 1 dynamic view. We'll start by creating a simple dropdown. Go to Data, Data Validation, choose List, and enter your metric names, units, revenue, cost, and profit. At the moment, the dropdown doesn't do anything, but that's about to change. By extending our PIVOTBY formula with choose and match, we have turned this into a 4-in-1 report. Choose and match simply look at the metrics selected in the dropdown and tell the report which data column to display. One table can now switch between revenue, cost, profit, and units, all from a single dropdown. Now let me move this into the center because I want to show you the next really cool part. I'll create a simple bar chart using just the region names and the totals. Watch how smoothly it animates with every selection. It's like we've added our little special effect, making the dashboard feel more like a modern app. 1 table, 1 chart, 4 different insights, no codes, no complicated formulas. Let's finish this off with some simple formatting and a few charts. In just a few minutes, we have turned thousands of rows of raw data into a fully interactive dashboard using just 3 powerful Excel formulas. Thanks for watching episode 1. There is so much more to explore, so like and subscribe to master the rest of the modern formulas with me. We'll uncover much more game changing functions in the next one. See you then.